So what is up? This is ONSIMAZING. Thank God it's Fly Day. So mga megs, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you for supporting ONSIMAZING. Nandito na tayo sa 4,860 subscribers. Lapakan man dyan. And napit na mag-go. And I wanna review the wind noise for the DX-7 Evo Helmet, which is a dual sport or motard helmet. But before that, don't forget to click the subscribe and like button down there below and hit the bell button for more updates. And huwag mo kalimutan mga megs, my Facebook page ako, just search ONSIMAZING page. And don't forget to click the like button at top right hand. Woo, grabe traffic mga megs. I'm gonna test the DX-7 wind noise. Kasi sabi nila normal wind noise, which is average helmet for a 5,000 pesos, which is a good thing. Saan ka maghanap ng 5,000 pesos na helmet na normal yung wind noise? Kasi usually for a dual sport or motard helmet, it will be a bad average. So pangit talaga, grabe yung wind noise. So ngayon magpatakbo tayo ng 0 to 40 and I cannot hear any wind noise at the moment, which is a good thing. I cannot hear, usually for 40 marinig mo na yung kunting wind noise na. At ngayon mga megs, nilagay ko yung microphone ko malapit sa tenga ko, kaya hopefully madrinig mo yung wind noise. So I'm gonna change speed. So okay na mga megs. Hindi talaga marinig, or hindi ko marinig yung mga wind noise from 0 to 40. So let's change to 40 to 70. Ngayon mga megs, marinig ko na konti yung wind noise na hopefully marinig mo mga megs, marinig yung mga megs yung, kasi malapit na sa tenga no microphone ko. So kasi marinig ko yung konting wind noise. Yeah, running 40 to 70. And yeah, I can hear the konti lang mga megs, like di yung masyado dito sa SRP. Malapit tayo sa dagat or dagat or sea. So grabe yung wind noise dito. So but I'm running like 70 and konti lang mga megs, konti lang talaga. So hindi sakit sa tenga. Currently I'm not using any air pangtakip sa tenga, kaya okay lang. So hindi masyado marinig yung wind noise. So there will be a checkpoint. I cannot move. The next speed will be 70 to 100. So let's try. Oops, let's slow down. Huwag mabilisan mga megs. Wala tayong delay. And still here in Cebu is MGCQ. Yeah. Now, mga megs, let's go to 70 to 100. Let's go. So I'm gonna change my position. Ngayon, marinig ko na yung wind noise mga megs. But hindi siya masakit. Like, para lang siyang kumikiti, or like it feels tickling to my ear. But yeah, you can hear it from my microphone kasi malapit na talaga. Let's try 100. Oops. So dusty. So ingat tayo mga megs, labi na sa dusting lugar at nagbabangkingan ka. That is a no-no. So gonna test it again. Yeah, when I reach 80, that is the time my ear tickles. I'm gonna run 100. Wow, gagbilis si Kuya. 100. So, konting piga pa, Megs. 100. Now I can hear like malakas na talaga, Megs. So hindi siya masakit kasi hindi siya direct sa tenga ko. Pero grabe, marinig ko na yung wind noise sa 100, which is a normal helmet kasi sa ibang helmet ganun din. So mag-U-turn tayo. U-turn, pag kalimutan i-U-turn. At maraming sasakyan. So mga Megs, yun ang masabi ko sa 0 to 40. Hindi ko marinig yung wind noise, which is a good thing for a normal rider kasi noon gamit ko noon yung LS2 strobe. Marinig ko na yung wind noise from 0 to 40. And for the 40 to 70, may konting wind noise, pero para lang kumikiti lang sa tenga. It tickles my ear, parang ganyan. At my microphone is near to my ear, so hopefully marinig yung mga Megs. And for 70 to 100, now if you run like more 80, that is the time. Yan mga Megs, ang marinig mo yan ng malakas na wind noise. Diyan na papasok mga wind noise. Hindi ko lang kung block it, but I already closed my air ventilation to my head and here from my ear. See, it's already closed. And if you run like 100, yeah, 100, dun marinig mo yan mas wind noise na grabe na tenga lang. Pero para lang meron kang kausap pero di mo marinig. Pero sa radyo, like the frequency is not that good, parang ganun, something like that. So mga Megs, yan ang masabi ko sa DX-7 Evo Helmet, dual sport helmet, Mozart, which is a good thing. Saan ka maghanap ng 5,000 pesos mo na average, a good or normal wind noise for an helmet. Kasi sa iba, mabili ka ng dual sports helmet or Mozart helmet, you cannot have a normal wind noise running at 40 to 70, which is maganda talaga sa Evo, maganda talaga. So I'm gonna slow down a little bit. It's almost 5, almost 5 mga Megs. It is a gray sky, parang ulan mamaya, and hopefully hindi tayo maubutan ng ulan. And shout out pala kay Paulo Gabriel Demilio. Salamat talaga sa suporta, Megs. Salamat talaga. And for Jason Quentas Part, salamat kay Megs sa pagtanaw o suporta kay ONSIMAZING. And also to Sir Anthony. Sir Anthony, thank you Megs. Pagsuporta din kay ONSIMAZING. Sure, no problem, shout out dyan. So ride safe tayo lahat mga Megs, ha. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button down there below and hit the bell button for more updates. Cheers, bye bye.